Right. Let's see. Monday, office is cleaned. Tuesday, office is cleaned. Wednesday, office is cleaned.
Wow, impressive consistency.
Thanks. I worked hard on the schedule.
I'm sure. But I have a question. Were the offices actually clean?
Well, yes, they were cleaned every day.
That's not quite what I asked.
The cleaners followed the work instructions. All tasks completed. That's the whole point.
Absolutely. And if a room is not used all week, still cleaned every day?
Well, yes, that's the schedule. That's how it works.
That's activity-based cleaning. Tasks completed, boxes ticked, but the result, the actual cleanliness, is never really checked.
But what's the alternative? We can't just not clean things.
Result-based cleaning asks a different question. Not was the clinic done, but is it clean in reality? The goal is cleanliness, not a completed task list that changes how cleaning is planned, measured, and paid for.
Theoretically, it's of course interesting, but I've been running contracts this way for years. It works.
Does it? Study shows that without systematic checks, nearly 50% of critical surfaces stay uncleaned, even when tasks are done.
Okay, I'll hear you out.